Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about the importance of going to school. Students will learn a lot of things in the school. We also learn over there how to behave with their elders, how to respect them, how to treat children, and many other things. Students, do you know schools is also important for our physical and mental development? It's also part of a great enjoyment. Students, to learn the importance of school, we will recite a story. Ankit misses school. Ankit was a very smart little boy. He had many friends. He loved to play. He loved to watch TV. He also loved to draw. But Ankit did not like to go to school. Many times, when his mother woke him up, he would pretend to be sick. She would call and call, Ankit, Ankit, wake up. Ankit, beta, please wake up. Ankit would wake up and look sad. He would always tell his mother, Mummy, my tummy is paining. His mother would believe him. She would not send him to school. But as soon as the school bus went away, Ankit would be fine. He would get up and play all day. His mother would be angry with him, but it would be too late. The school bus would have gone. One day, the teacher planned a surprise visit to the zoo. Ankit had always wanted to go to zoo. He was very excited. He sat in the class thinking of all the animals he would see. In the morning, Ankit's mother woke him up. He forgot he had to go to the zoo. He made such a sad face that his mother did not send him. Ankit got up and went to play outside. Suddenly, the school bus went past. It was full of excited children going to the zoo, and all the children were very happy. Ankit, Ankit, they shouted, we will miss you. Ankit felt very bad. He started crying. It was then he understood we should not tell lies. After that, Ankit stopped saying his tummy was paining. He did not want to miss out of on any fun. Students, what you have learned from this story? Tell me, students, that we should not speak a lie, and if we speak like we will make their losses. Like in this story, students, you have learned Ankit lies to his mother every day because he did not want to go to school, and because of his lie he made his school and also the fun that his friends have. Students, I hope you have enjoyed today's session. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch, students. Stay at home. Stay safe. Students, I hope you don't miss the school and you don't tell a lie. Promise me, students, you always speak truth. Thank you, beta.